Hello everyone, myself Dr. Archana Chaubule, Head Computer Engineering, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, Rave. I'll be giving introduction to copyright filing process. Now to start with the copyright filing process, we have to go to copyright.gov.in, which is the website of filing the copyright. Now this is the first page which we will get when we go into the copyright.gov.in site. To file a copyright, first click on e-filing of application. After e-filing of application, enter the login credentials. If you don't have login credentials, you can click on new user registration. I will enter the credentials. Now to file a copyright, click on e-filing of application. After e-filing of application, you will get a page like this wherein you will be clicking on click here for online copyright process. Now once you click on online copyright process, it goes into this page. It forwards you to this particular page. So the first step is fill the form 14. Second step is fill statements of particulars, which is also called as SOP. Step 3 is fill statements of further particulars, which is also called as SOFP. And step 4 is the payment details. So we will start filing the copyright. I'll enter some name. For example, I'll enter ABC, some address, suppose Pune. You have to write the whole address here. Next is I will be entering some pin code, Indian, date of dispatches, whatever date you will have of filing, for example today's date, and save party details. If you want to add few more authors, you can click on add more. So first I'll enter some fake data, XYZ, Pune, 41111, and add more. If you want, you can edit the data. If you want to delete that particular user, you can delete the user. That is the party details. Next is the field which is communications on the subjects may be addressed to. Suppose I want the communication to be addressed by ABC. So I will write ABC. His address same. The whole address you have to write here. So I will write Pune, pin code and phone number. Next is we have to go to next page. So I will click on I accept. If everything is proper, it will save. If everything is proper, you will be redirected to the second page. So the second page is statement of particulars, wherein you can write the details of the copyright. So for first we will take individual. This category of applicant is individual. Next is same as communication address. So whatever party details were there in the communication address, they will come automatically here. If you want to add more, you can add few more. For example, I want to add the other author also, XYZ. I'll add that address and his details. Add more. Next is I want to upload the signature. So first write the signature on a paper, take the snapshot of it. It should be in the JPEG format. The file size of the signature should not be more than 512 KB. So I have the sign, suppose I'll take one sign. Upload the signature. The signature gets uploaded. Next is nature of the applicant's interest in the copyright of the work. So you are an author. First, we are filing the copyright for a literary work. So you will be an author. Class of the work is literary of the work. Whatever work you all have, if you want to describe in 200 words, you can characters, you can describe. Even that you can skip it. So I'll write some sample document. Select the language. This is sampled, not sampled document, the title, sample title of your work. You have to write the actual title of the work. Next is name, address and nationality of the author, and if the author is deceased, the date of his deceased. Same as the applicant. Next is it automatically comes here once you click on it. Whether the work is published or unpublished. I will click on unpublished. So if you click on unpublished, all these things become disabled. Next is names and addresses and nationalities of the owners of the various rights comprising the copyright in the work and the extents of rights held by each together with the particulars of assignments and licenses if any. So you can click on same as applicant. All the whatever details you all had applied in same as applicant will come here. Similarly, name and addresses and nationalities of the persons, if any, authorized to assign or license the rights comprising the copyright. You can again click on same as author. If you want not applicable, you can click on not applicable. Next is if everything is proper, after saving, you will be redirected to the next page. Step 3 is statements of further particulars. Now this, if it is an original work, click on yes, it is an original work. If you click on original work, rest everything will get disabled. So save and go to the next step. Next step is of payment details. So you will be directed to the payment details. You have to pay the fees here. I won't pay anything because it is a sample document that I have filed to explain it to you. Once the payment has been done, you will get a diary number. That diary number, for example, is this. I have already filed one copyright. I am showing you the diary number of the other copyright. Now, once you get the diary number, your copyright has been filed. So you will get this kind of status from status of the application. There you can print on acknowledgement letter. After printing on acknowledgement letter, save this acknowledgement letter. So click on print. After clicking on printing, save the PDF. So you can save the PDF. I'll write some name. Similarly, you can save the print entire form for your further reference. So this is print. Similar like the acknowledgement form, save this form, give some name, registration name, and close it. So now your copyright has been filed. You have got the diary number, you have the acknowledgement letter, and even you have the entire form saved to you. After you file the copyright, next step is you have to upload your document. Whatever work you have to do copyright of, that work you have to upload. So click on upload literary, dramatic or artistic work. You will get the option for your diary number, that is you will get a diary number here, and then you will get an option to load the literary work. So this is what is about filing the copyright. After filing the copyright, what you get is the diary number, and you can have a proof as your acknowledgement letter and your entire form. So this is the end of the filing process of copyright. Thank you.